Don't make the mistake of teaching them the way you organize. We are very quick to say, this works for me, so this is what I'll give the kid. Here's color-coded folders. Here's a 5-subject notebook. Here's a strip on your desk that has these little dots or whatever. We might think that works for them because it might work for us. So what we need to do is get in their head a little bit more and figure out how they organize. So the way I do it is I say, or I work with the children to say, what is the end result? What do we want? The end result is to pass a test. The end result is to organize a book report. The end result is to get my snowsuit on efficiently so I can get out to recess on time, right? Sometimes that's the biggest part of your day, getting that snowsuit on. So if that's what I want, then that's the end result. So I say to the kids, we want to get this happening. What are some ways we can make that happen? So I have little kids that years ago we did a bulletin board where we took pictures of the little ones as they were dressing for recess so they knew what order to put things on. You know, my snow pants, then my boots, then my... And then we put the pictures on the bulletin board so the kids could go and see what stage they were at on their own. Okay, visual organization. They were little kids. For kids who lose things, and the English teacher said you have to have a 5-subject notebook for each strand that we're teaching this year. They lose one notebook, they've lost everything. So I had to teach them how to use a 1-subject notebook and how to file it into their locker so that they had to go and get that one thing they needed, put it back, and then get the next thing, because that's how they operated. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.